Nah, good evening. Okay, man. Okay, quick one. I just saw a video you you made concerning egg ritual and etosa kiana kaya. Nah, and using the egg to ward off negative energies, just in case the person is not genuine or having evil intentions. So it threw me back to an incident that happened a couple of years ago. That time I was working for a pharmaceutical company as their medical sales and marketing executive. No name of man. Then I came home one Christmas when I told my uncle that I wanted to start building a house nearby my village. And then the wife, even though she's late now, was the person that came to me and asked me, "Nan chotoria change what to see?" What she needed was 50 naira. So I gave her that 50 naira in good faith, in a clear conscience, without knowing what she intended to use it for. Or not, but I know, I'm so convinced that immediately I left back to my base after that Christmas, things changed. One, I had issues with the company, issues about money, issues about issues about my marriage came up, and so many other issues, that came up. Some other things also started happening. Financially, I went from what I used to be to zero. So I just tried to struggle and meander my way back to where I used to be, but since that time, even when I decided to set up my own business and everything, still. So, if this same ritual that you just explained now can still work for somebody it will go to area settle as maybe 15 naira JJ his financial destiny or his financial freedom or some things like that. What can one do actually? What can one do to liberate himself from this kind of predicament?
No, thanks for sharing. Masina, the number one thing yabukwa mmụọ right? Ịmalụ mmụọ gị, so mmụọ gị wee na-aga ịgwafa. Ọ ya bụ maka my solution to this now would be inwekwa ike iwere akwa ahụ. Ọ bụrụ na ndeeli kịta afọ ihe dịka 12 midnight till 3 p.m. Iwelu akwa were aka inu wee kwuo okwu maka na aka inu bụ ife ahụ na-ekwusi were aka inu aghọpụrụ gị aka inu na onye ọfụ ya bụrụ na inwe mmụọ ị na-akpọ alụsị gị ịkpọ alụsị gị nya arụbi na-agụ nke gị nwa nke dịbe gị alụsị ike nga gị ịkpọ arụbi na-agụbe nne gị si a na ọsọ chụba nwata ọ na-ekwu nne ịkpọ arụbi na-agụbe nna gị kpọọ alụsị na ọkpọkụ alụsị ito a sifa na ofe nwa ka iji akwa wee na-enyefe akwa wee na-ezefe iwe wee na-ekochapụ aka ọjọọ na onye aka iji wee tinyekwa aka inu a si ha were aka inu a wepụrụ gị aka inu ka ọnwa ife na aghọta. So that's the thing. So amara m ka isi emedebe mmụọ gị right mana anytime when anything stop bro na to hand them over to alụsị mmụọ na-egbu egbu na-echekwa ka o jee mee ife dị ya yọtago ya baa gị